Have you ever had a day at home where you need to turn off a specific electrical outlet and you're standing in front of your breaker panel, flipping switches and running back and forth just to see if the electrical outlet already turned off? Well, this tool will definitely save you time and energy. This is the KAIWEETS KT301P Circuit Breaker Finder. And this was sent to me by the manufacturer for the purpose of this review. And right out of the box is the included semi-hard nylon case. It looks and feels well made, and it's durable and lightweight. And inside this case, you will find the user manual. And make sure to read the included user manual because it covers important safety information, proper use, and explains all the functions so you can use the tester safely and efficiently. As well as this card that gives important tips on how to use the circuit breaker finder. Also included is 2 pairs of AAA batteries, and right here is the alligator clip adapter. This accessory will surely help finding the circuit breaker when tracing an open wiring. And these 2 more accessories, 3-prong to 2-prong adapter and a light socket fixture outlet. And right here is the GFCI Outlet Tester. The exterior is completely made of plastic, but it doesn't feel cheap, and the plastic material feels durable, and the buttons are using rubber material. And lastly, the electrical circuit tracer tool. And just like the outlet tester, the exterior is completely made of plastic, but it feels well made and lightweight. Before using the tracer tool and the outlet tester, we will need to insert 2 AAA batteries for each. And you will need a small screwdriver to open the battery compartment. Please note, the small screwdriver is not included. The GFCI outlet tester is very easy to use. All you need to do is just turn it on and plug it in. And that green light right there indicates that the outlet is correctly wired. And besides the light indicator, this outlet tester also has an LCD screen that displays other information like real-time voltage and wiring status, just to name a few. And just to emulate a wrong wiring connection, we will be using the 3-prong to 2-prong adapter. And when the outlet tester detected the wrong or missing wiring, the light indicator shows orange on the LCD screen and a red light on the light indicator. And to test a GFCI outlet using this outlet tester, simply press and hold the test button for a couple of seconds, and after hearing the GFCI outlet trips, you will see that the LCD is displaying pass, which means a confirmation of a successful trip. Now, the tracer tool is also very functional and very easy to use. After turning on and plugging in the outlet tester, which is also the transmitter, press and hold the power button to turn on the tracer tool, which is also the receiver, and you will see the signal strength showing that it's ready to detect the signal from the transmitter. Start by doing a first pass across the panel so tracer can read your breakers. And on the second pass, it should point you to the correct breaker for the outlet. Flip the breaker to turn it off, and the flashing green on the outlet tester is an indication that the power is already off. The tracer tool also has a built-in flashlight, which is perfect for working in a dim or poorly lit spaces. The tracer tool can also be used for non-contact voltage or NCV testing. Simply hold the reset NCV button on top of the power button to activate the NCV function, and it will also be displayed on the LCD screen, and it's ready for testing. So if you're a professional technician, a DIYer, or just a dad like me who works with electricals and loves to maintain his own home, this is a tool to consider. So guys, this is the KAIWEETS KT301P Circuit Breaker Finder. Get yours today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.